Introducing the DS18 PROJECT360 Bullet mid-range speaker, engineered for maximum performance, efficiency, and high output sound. Featuring DS18's patent-pending innovative rotating recone technology, the PROJECT360 makes maintenance faster and easier, reducing your downtime and keeping your system performing at its best. So if you push your system past its limits, don't you worry. All you have to do is rotate, remove, and replace. It's that simple. Built with a powerful ferrite motor structure, rugged aluminum basket, and DS18 signature silver bullet, the PROJECT360 is built to deliver the pure vocals and aggressive output DS18 is known for. Available in 6.5, 8-inch, and 6x9 models with 4-ohm and 8-ohm configurations, the PROJECT360 gives you the flexibility to build the perfect high-performance audio system. With 300 watts of RMS power handling, 600 watts of max power, and over 100 dBs of sensitivity, this speaker is designed to get extremely loud while maintaining the clarity and details your music demands. Whether it's a car, truck, or custom high output build, the DS18 PROJECT360 Bullet delivers the performance, reliability, and versatility needed for serious audio applications. So make sure you check these out. This is Luis with DS18, and we like it loud.